Telling your friends and family you're struggling with addiction doesn't have to be shameful. Admitting you have a problem is the first step on the road to recovery. It can be hard to bring up this sensitive topic. Here are a few tips and things to keep in mind when you're ready to ask for help. The first way to tell your friends and family that you are struggling with a substance use disorder is to ask for help. Most loved ones will want to support you and can be your biggest fans. Most importantly, be honest. If you're feeling lost, confused, or unsure, explain this to your friends and family. Help them understand what you've been going through by communicating your feelings and experiences. Be prepared to tell others your plan to help yourself. If you don't have any options in mind, ask for help researching what your next steps should be. Next, explain why you are seeking help. Your loved ones may want to know how and why you came to your decision. Share what brought you to this point and what you want your future to look like. You should also prepare for resistance. Remain calm and try to understand and acknowledge your loved one's feelings. Your addiction may have also impacted them indirectly. Remember, don't be ashamed. Be proud of yourself for facing addiction and wanting to make changes in your life. If you accept yourself and stay committed to your goals, your loved ones may eventually understand. If you or a loved one are ready to get their life back, the Recovery Village can help. Our compassionate, physician-led team is ready to provide you with the evidence-based, expert care necessary for a successful recovery. For more information, contact our recovery advocates today at 855-239-9898.